Hello guys, today we are studying about a PDF of bivariate normal distribution. The first is what is the meaning of bivariate? Bivariate इसका मीनिंग है कि टू वेरिएबल्स. जब दो वेरिएबल्स रहेंगे तो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का पीडीएफ कैसा होगा ये हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज अ पीडीएफ ऑफ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और यूनिवेरिएट नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. यूनिवेरिएट इट मीन्स व्हाट, अगर एक वेरिएबल रहेगा तो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का पीडीएफ कैसे होता है. तो मैं लेती हूं लेट एक्स बी अ रैंडम वेरिएबल. इट मीन्स व्हाट, मैंने एक वेरिएबल जो लेना था उसको एक्स लिया है. तो विद मीन, उसका मीन क्या है, म्यू, एंड वेरिएंस इज सिग्मा स्क्वायर. तो इसको डिनोट कैसे करते हैं, एक्स फॉलोज नॉर्मल विद मीन म्यू and variance sigma square. Then the PDF of this distribution, that is a normal distribution, is small f of x, which is equals to 1 upon under root 2 pi sigma square e raised to minus half x minus mu upon sigma the whole square. X is lies between minus infinity to infinity. Mu is also lies between minus infinity to infinity. Sigma square which is greater than 0. इसी को हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 1 upon under root 2 pi. This sigma square goes outside and sigma e raised to minus half x minus mu the whole square upon sigma square. Okay, now if this mu is 0, if mu which is equals to 0 and variance which is equals to 1, then the PDF is written as which is equals to 1 upon under root 2 pi e raised to minus half x square. Here also x is lies between minus infinity to infinity and mu is 0 and variance is 1. Then we can write it as x follows normal with mean mu and variance 1. This PDF is called as PDF of standard normal distribution. Now, if we integrate this PDF with respect to x, then we get equals to 1. Then we integrate this PDF of standard normal distribution. Therefore, integration of minus infinity to infinity 1 upon under root 2 pi e raised to minus x square upon 2 dx which is equals to 1. Here this term is constants with respect to x, therefore we take it as constant. So हमने इसे बाहर निकाला into integration of minus infinity to infinity e raised to minus x square upon 2 dx which is equals to 1. ये यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में है, इसको राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट किया तो विच इज मल्टीप्लाई. So minus infinity to infinity e raised to minus x square upon 2 dx which is equals to 1 into under root 2 pi which is equals to under root 2 pi. This is a most important result in bivariate normal distribution. This result is very important. We have to use it in bivariate normal distribution. Now, if x follows normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square, then MGF, that is a MXT. What is the MXT of normal distribution? It is a e raised to mu t plus half t square sigma square. This is also the important result which is used in bivariate normal distribution. Now, the PDF of bivariate normal distribution. Let x and y are two normally correlated variables such that expectation of x, that is a mean of x, which is equals to mu1, and expectation of y, that is a mean of y, which is equals to mu2. Variance of x, which is equals to sigma 1 square, and variance of y, which is equals to sigma 2 square. And the correlation coefficient between x and y is rho. Then the joint PDF of x and y is given by f of x, y. x, y क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि दो वेरिएबल से f of x, y which is equals to 1 upon 2 pi sigma 1 sigma 2 under root 1 minus rho square e raised to minus half 1 minus rho square into x minus mu1 upon sigma 1 whole square minus 2 rho x minus mu1 upon sigma 1 into y minus mu2 upon sigma 2 plus y minus mu2 upon sigma 2 whole square. Now here x and y both are lies between minus infinity to infinity. Mu1 and mu2 are also lies between minus infinity to infinity. Sigma 1 square and sigma 2 square are greater than 0, and correlation coefficient between x and y, which is lies between minus 1 to 1. Now, it is the PDF of joint PDF of bivariate normal distribution. It is denoted by f of x, y follows, x, y follows bivariate normal distribution. That is by B V n. First x का mean, that is mu1, y का mean, that is mu2, variance of x, that is a sigma 1 square, variance of y, that is a sigma 2 square, and correlation coefficient between x and y, that is a rho. If mu1 which is equals to mu2 which is equals to 0 and sigma 1 square which is equals to sigma 2 square which is equals to 1, then the x, y which follows bivariate normal with mean 0, 0, 1, 1, rho. Here mu which is equals to mu2, that is a 0. Therefore mu1 के जगह पे 0, mu2 के जगह पे 0. Sigma 1 square is 1, that's why 1. Sigma 2 square is also 1, that's why 1. And rho is rho, that's why we written as rho equals to rho. Now the PDF of this distribution, when the mu equals to mu2 equals to 0 and variance is 1, then the f of x, y which is equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root 1 minus rho square e raised to minus half 1 minus rho square into x square minus 2 rho xy plus y square, bracket complete. Here x and y both are lies between minus infinity to infinity.